Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by deciding where the fonts will live and why those choices matter for performance. If you're building a website, pick 1-3 families to reduce load. For apps, choose system-friendly weights. Once done, open Google Fonts, select families and specific weights you need, and keep an eye on character sets and variable axis. This first step prevents overloading users and ensures consistent layout across devices so you don't have surprises later. Now you implement the fonts and optimize delivery. Choose the embed option that matches your stack. Link in HTML for websites, add import for some CSS workflows, or self-host the font files for full control. Make sure to request only needed subsets and weights, and add font display. Swap to avoid invisible text. Once embedded, use CSS variables or utility classes to apply fonts across headings and body so changes propagate quickly, improving performance and maintenance. Finish by verifying rendering and fallback behavior so users always see readable text. Test in several browsers and network speeds. Inspect the network panel to confirm only selected weights load and that preload helped. If fonts don't appear, make sure caches are cleared, URLs are correct, and your server serves proper MIME types. If self-hosted, validate cores and file paths. Once resolved, lock your selection and document which family.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.